Hi, welcome to our home. I'm Sammi.
And I'm Judd. We're gonna be making a full autumnal meal featuring a vegan mushroom and squash stuffing. Here are the ingredients we are working with. First, do your chopping. I already diced the rye bread and let it sit overnight. Dice your squash and apples and cut your mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. Dice your onion and prepare your herb mixture. Next, heat your oil in the pan and sear the squash. Cook for about 3 minutes aside or until caramelized and then deglaze with agave. Add some more oil to the pan and cook the mushrooms until golden brown. The mushrooms I'm using are oyster, cremini, and shiitakes. Next, sweat the onions until translucent. Then add the herbs and vegetable broth and cook for another 2 minutes. Mix all the ingredients in a Dutch oven or oven-safe pan. Cook covered for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. I love working with seasonal produce. When I saw squash started to hit the grocery stores, I was like, squash in a stuffing sounds great. Presentation is very important. However, I would say flavor is the most important for me.